Welcome to the in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to change or turn on or turn off the screen touches in screen recordings. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the advanced features. Now here you'll see the screen recorder section. Tap here, and now just to switch on the screen touches, you should click here only once on the switcher. And if you wanna just turn off and don't show these touches in your screen recordings, you should click here on this switcher once again. Also, we have the second way how we can launch the screen recorder settings. So first we should go here into the notification panel, and somewhere here, in my case it's here, you'll find the screen recorder icon. If you have no this icon here, just click here to the edit button and scroll down to this second section with invisible icons. So screen recorder can be here, for example, and just to edit, hold it and drag it here to the notification panel. Then just hold for a while the screen recorder icon, and by the same way click once to the switcher to activate the screen touches, and to turn them off click once again on the switcher. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.